Got a storm coming. You can see what this wind does. Blows that sand up off the beach and builds a new dune. Here it is on the backside. It's filled in the trail to the beach. Blown sand up on the crest of this dune. Beach grass will grow on that this summer, and it'll make a permanent ridge. That dune has gained a couple feet of height this winter due to the windstorm, bringing sand up. And there's another one coming. Looks like an eagle coming up the beach, parallel in the car. I don't know how well you're going to see it. A little bit of styrofoam up on top of the dune, a styrofoam bowl. Here comes the eagle. I'm going to give you a flyby. It's a young one. That is one storm coming. We had one yesterday. Looks like we're going to have another one today. Fun to watch.